A few years back, data scientists faced a puzzling problem. They could create marvelous machine learning models in their development environment, but when they attempted to unleash them into the real world, things got complicated. These challenges encompassed inconsistent training and production data, models that would suddenly lose their accuracy, and the significant effort required to deploy a model in a way that made sense for the business. This is where MLOps or machine learning operations come in. It is the solution to these challenges, making sure our machine learning models deliver a stellar performance every time. Now that we've uncovered the challenges, let's dive deeper into the fascinating world of MLOps. So, what exactly is MLOps and how does it make the machine learning system work seamlessly? Let's break it down together. When we train a computer to learn and improve at tasks without being explicitly programmed, we call it machine learning. The computer learns from data and gets better over time. For example, machine learning can be used to build a recommendation system like the one Netflix uses. It learns your viewing habits and suggests movies and shows you might like. Now, let's talk about MLOps. Think of MLOps as the vital bridge between the remarkable machine learning models crafted during development and the real world applications where these models are deployed, delivering value to end users. In the machine learning world, this bridge represents a set of tools that are nicely knitted together to streamline the ML workflow. But wait a second, what is ML workflow? Okay, let's back up a little bit. A machine learning system comprises four fundamental ML components, which are data gathering, model development, model deployment, and model monitoring. These components connect together to form an integrated ML workflow. MLOps streamlines this ML workflow by providing the right MLOps tools at each stage, all with one goal in mind: to make automation possible. By applying the right MLOps tools at each stage of the ML workflow, we create an end-to-end automated ML system with a feedback loop, resulting in a more reliable and efficient ML system. With a fully automated ML system, you obtain continuous integration, continuous deployment, continuous training, and continuous monitoring, which is the ultimate goal of MLOps. I have mentioned MLOps tools a couple of times, and by now, I'm pretty sure you are wondering, what are these tools? Well, some of these tools you are probably already familiar with as they originate from DevOps. Examples are Git, which is used for CI/CD, and also cloud orchestration and automation tools such as Ansible, infrastructure as code, Kubernetes, etc. But there are ML-specific MLOps tools such as Feature Store, ML orchestration tools like MLflow and MetaFlow, data orchestration tools such as Airflow and Glue, and model monitoring tools like Aris AI and Evidently AI. Some vendors have been kind enough to provide MLOps platform that contain most of the necessary MLOps tools for automating the end-to-end machine learning workflow, like Amazon SageMaker, Azure ML Studio, Iguazu, and more. Now you may be thinking, MLOps and DevOps kind of seem related. Well, kind of. MLOps actually originated from DevOps. It is a method of applying DevOps practices to machine learning. It combines data engineering, machine learning, and DevOps with the goal of reliably and efficiently building, deploying, and maintaining ML systems in production. Because MLOps is a behavior or culture just like DevOps, the level of operations introduced via tools to operationalize an ML workflow will largely depend on the business's core value, the organizational strategy, and the business use case. And there you have it, folks. MLOps in a nutshell. Remember, the more we optimize each stage of our ML workflow with the appropriate MLOps tools, the better, reliable, efficient, and high performing ML system we will have. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video on MLOps insightful. If you want to continue learning and stay updated with more exciting content like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community.